Hi everyone and welcome to my video. Today we're going to be reviewing several topics in order to see how important phonetics are in our lives. So let's get started, and I'm going to start with the syllable division rules, which are many, so let's get into it. I'm going to start with the first combination, that is the combination of vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, as in basket. And what we have to do right here is divide between the two middle consonants. You can see right there, there is an S and a K right there, and what we have to do is split between them two. Another combination is the combination of vowel, consonant, vowel, as in cabin. And what we have to do is divide after the consonant when the first vowel has a short sound. In this case, cap and cap. It is a short A. Cap and. Another combination is pretty similar to the last one, and this is the combination of vowel, consonant, vowel, as in basic. But what we have to do is the same, but we have to divide before the consonant when the first vowel is long. In this case, basic. In this case, A is a long A. Another combination is the combination of consonant plus L and E. What we have to do is divide before the consonant plus LE, as in candle. What we have to do right here is to be very careful because we cannot put them apart. For example, can, do, D, L, and E always have to be together because there is the combination of consonant plus L and E. Another combination is vowel, consonant, 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 vowel. With three consonants between vowels, usually we split after the first consonant. For example, in the word complex. Another combination is the combination of vowel, consonant, 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 vowel, as in instruct. And what we have to do is we, with four consonants between the vowels, usually we split after the first consonant. Instruct. Another combination is one of my favorites because it's very quite simple. Is compound words, and what we have to do is divide between the two words, as in wine, milk. Another combination is unkindly when it comes suffixes and prefixes, and what we have to do is divide the syllables before a suffix and after a prefix. And I'm going to give you some pieces of advice in order to get the right answers every time that you divide syllables. What we have to do first is find the sounded vowels, and after that what you have to do is to count the consonants between. After that you have to read them in order to see if they make sense, and you have to be very careful with the consonant diagraph and the consonant blends that I'm going to put it right here. You can stop the video in order to see them better, and you have to be careful with the suffix and prefixes and the rules that gets them. For example, the doubling rule and the dropping rule. The doubling rule is when you double the last letter of a word in order to create another one. For example, in the word swimming, the main word is swim. We double the M and we add ing. In this case, we got swim, me. And the dropping rule, as in the word slime and slimy. What we have to do is to drop the E and to add the Y. So let's continue with the video. And now I'm going to move on to a very easy topic. And this topic is the phonemes. I have to tell you that the phonemes are related to the written part. Every single time that you want to know what a phoneme is, I have to tell you that it's every single letter within a word. For example, we got the word huge. As you can see, we got the letter H, U, G, and E. In this case, we got four different letters. As I said before, a phoneme is every single letter inside of a word. In this case, we got four letters, which means we got four phonemes. This is really quite simple. Let's go with another example. the word pencil. As you can see, we got the letter P, E, N, C, I, and L. We got 6 letters, which means we got 6 phonemes. Every single time that you want to know how many phonemes a word has, everything that you have to do is count letter by letter. So let's continue. And now I will explain you the minimal pairs and the minimal sets. I have to tell you that these topics are really simple, and right now I'm going to start with the minimal pairs. They are a pair of words which have different meanings and they only differ in one phoneme. For example, in the words play and pray. As you can see, they have different meanings, but they only differ in one phoneme, which is letter L and letter R. Another example in the words grow and glow. They differ in the letters R and L. Another example in the words live and leave. So you can see they differ in the letter F and the letters B and E. In this case, it's very important to take in consideration the letter E because this one is silent. And right now, I'm going to explain you the minimal sets, and they are a group of words that can be differentiated one from another by changing only one phoneme in the same position. They can be a vowel phoneme or a consonant phoneme. For example, in the vowel phonemes, we got the words feet, feet, fat, fate, fought, and foot. As you can see, they are pretty similar, but they only change in the sound of the vowel. And we got the consonant phonemes. For example, in the words big, pig, wig, pig, and rig. They are pretty similar, but they only change in one consonant. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video and thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.